guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Shrija and I upload makeup, hair care and skincare related videos. So today I am going to review Ikai Beauty from Lotus. About a month ago I ordered one BFF Hangout combo pack from them, and it consisted one Choco Delight face mask, one Fruity Surprise face mask, one almond face scrub, one papaya face scrub, and one orange boost face souffle. So I have tried 3 of them, which are the proofs are here. I have tried 3 of them. They are like this now. So the pack actually looks like this. One packet actually looks like this. So each pack consists 10 grams of their product. The product comes with a very cute packaging. The product looks like this. I am holding Choco Delight face mask right now. The product looks like this from the front, and the benefits of the product is written on the back. I have not used this. I have not used this one and Orange Boost face souffle, just to show you guys how the package looks. I have not used these two, but I have used 3 other of their products. That is Papaya Power face scrub. I have first used this one. This one is to purify and smoothen your skin. So to be very honest, this really works. I have used it numerous times, and to be very honest, this really purifies your skin, smoothens your skin, and I only apply rose water. I I just keep forgetting things. I'm really sorry. So I always only apply rose water after using this one. This is really good product. You want to purify your skin, to smoothen your if you want to purify your skin, if you want to smoothen your skin, you can use this one. Papaya Power face scrub. What you have to do is just apply on your face and scrub for 5 minutes. Keep for 5 minutes and just wash it off with water, normal water. That's all. So next, what I have used is their almond face scrub. What is called? Awesome almond face scrub. So this also you have to keep it for 5 minutes on your face. That's all. This is to nourish and refine your face. This also works. To be very honest, the Papaya Power face scrubs, the granules of the Papaya Power face scrubs is a little bigger than the almond one, but they both work really good, so you can use it. So the next one is Fruity Surprise face mask. Well, I have not applied any face mask that contains berry in it, so I have to admit that they did not suit my skin well. This was my first time applying any kind of berry face mask. This is for a very special look, it has said, but my skin felt really irritated, and I did not want it to keep it on my face, so I just washed it off right after 2 minutes of applying it. So I'm sorry, but this did not go well, so this is not for me. So these 3 products I have used, but there are 2 more products that I have not used till now. Well, these products are Choco Delight face mask and Orange face souffle. I have not used these 2. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would like to give 8.5 to this Papaya Power face scrub. I loved it, really loved it. So to this awesome almond face scrub, I would like to give 7.5 and 8. But I cannot give any number to this. I'm really sorry, because I didn't know that my skin really does not react good to any kind of berry product. Not any kind of berry product actually. This is, I think, blueberry product. So I'm sorry, I cannot give any number to this. So now time to give an overall review on this product. First, they have said that Lotus brings to you an adorably delicious single-use range of happy beauty products called Ikai. Well, let me tell you that you will be happy after hearing that this is not a single-use product. You can use it more than 3 to 4 times. It's really worth buying. These products are preservative free, cruelty free. Plus point. They have claimed that these products are all skin types, but let me tell you that this baby face mask didn't suit me, but these two products have suited me well. So let's assume that yes, these products are all skin types, because I have still not used these two products. So okay, fine, I will find out it later whether it's all skin type or not. The product really worth buying, they're really worth your money. One product has come out bad to me, that does not mean that the same product will come out bad to you. And their delivery system is really good. I have ordered I have got my package within 1 week of my order in this pandemic situation. So just think about it, how fast they deliver. And we really need this product right now, because Durga Puja is coming, and we will just go out and hang out with our friends. So the pollution, the makeup products will really ruin our skin. So these products are really needed, and I will give their Instagram account link to my description box. And just let me know in the comment section that whether you have liked their product or not. So what are you waiting for? Just go and buy your own Ikai beauty range. But before going, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to never miss a video, and share this with your friend and family as well. Bye.